Hey! Oh, since everybody's doing these kind of things and I'm out here just enjoying nature, thought I'd just do a quick vlog. So, I'm out here looking for my dogs. They've been gone all morning. They usually are. They're hunting dogs. That's what they do. They hunt. Unfortunately, I have neighbors that suck. So, if they hunt on the wrong property, they might get hunted themselves. So, I am looking for my dog. Trying to find them, but also just not really worried about it because they're pretty good dogs. I've had them for a couple of years, and this is their MO. This is what they do every day. They hunt. Okay, fun times. I'm working my way back to my house. Looking for a good place to hop over the fence. But I've been looking for, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes now. And I haven't seen anything for my dogs yet, so that's all right. All right, time to get over on the other side. Yes, I did just crawl under a fence. So, either way, I really enjoy these walks every morning, whether I'm with my dogs or not. For all I know, they're waiting for me back at the house. I usually call for them, and then I'll walk around looking for them. And then, they'll just show up at the last minute. Beautiful country out here, though. Tell you that. Really beautiful country. Yep. Just a nice day here in western Colorado. Nice, beautiful Sunday. Getting a little walk in before lunchtime. Little hike. Breathing here, a little elevation gain in this hike. No sign of my dogs, but that's not unusual, especially for today. It's so gorgeous, so nice. The weather is perfect for hiking, hunting. Can't complain. So this is just my normal everyday walking trail. I walk here every day among the junipers and the sagebrush. Sometimes I'll climb on the rocks. Sometimes I'll sit on the rocks. Usually I just walk. But it's always nice. So I thought I'd share my little walk and some scenery here with y'all. And just kind of let you know, yep, this is it. This is where it's at. 6,500 feet in elevation. Up on the south face of the Grand Mesa. So I'm about to hit the highest peak. Well, yeah, this is the highest peak on my walk. And I still don't see the dogs. Okay. Yes, sir. real nice view up here. Good 360-degree views. You gotta look out for cactus every once in a while. A lot of cactus, prickly pine hanging out around here. Well, hell, I guess the dogs are off somewhere else this time. I don't know where the hell they took off to. But that kind of messes my plans up for the day. I can't really go anywhere for a long time without putting my dogs up in the kennel. So, well, this is not totally normal. It kind of is this time of year. You know, when spring is just, the weather's just starting to get nice again. The dogs just love to spend the time outside. They feel cooped up all winter long, and they have to go outside and hunt and be among nature, just like us, just like me right now. So hopefully my dogs will just show up on their own. They'll be fine. This is usually what they do. And we'll see them then. So I'm just about home now, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. Thanks for spending my walk with me, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.